So over time, you may have shared out albums and you may have shared out individual photos as well, but you may have lost track of what you have shared. If you want to keep track of everything and manage out your shared links, then from your home page in Google Photos, you can go around and click on settings right here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and scroll down, and over here you can see that settings is an option. And here you can see that I have the manage sharing activity option right here, and here you can see that shared links is an option. So once you go around onto shared links, you can see that it says manage links you've created for photos and videos that aren't in albums. So if I were to actually go ahead, you can see that I can see that this is right now a public link, so you can go ahead and delete it, and then that shared link is not there anymore. There's nothing in shared link, as you can see right there. So you can see that there's shared memories and conversations, as you can see right here as well, and so forth right here. So you can see that there's other sharings as well, but we are focusing on this one right now. If I were to go around onto albums, then over here you can see that as I open up the album, you can see this public link right here as well. The link sharing is right now on. But if I want to go ahead and turn it off, simply go around right here and turn off the link sharing, and then what happens is that the link will be deleted. Same goes for the other albums right here as well. So if I were to go around onto this particular album, then you can go around onto this link and then disable out the link right here, and the album won't be linked anymore. And that is how you can go ahead and manage out shared links inside of Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.